Every time you think you've finally broken free, you find yourself back at square one. It's like an invisible force dragging you in circles, and you don't even know why. That force, those are the hidden loops in your mind. And today, you'll learn how to escape them for good. Our brains love patterns. They create loops so we can automate life's basics, walking, talking, even driving. But when those loops are built on fear, doubt, or old pain, they trap you in self-sabotage. Imagine running on a hamster wheel. You're exhausted, going nowhere, yet your mind keeps you locked in that loop. I know this because I lived it. I'd set goals, see small wins, then crash hard back into procrastination, anxiety, excuses. I thought I was the problem. But the problem was the loop, not me. Breaking a loop means interrupting it and replacing it with a better one. Here's how. Detect the loop. Notice the scenario. You feel stressed. You avoid a task. Your mind says later. Awareness cracks the trance. Interrupt instantly. Use a physical cue. Stand up, splash water on your face. Snap a rubber band on your wrist. This jolt breaks the automatic cycle. Install a new routine. Immediately follow with a small, positive action. 2 minutes of deep breathing. A quick stretch, writing one sentence toward your goal. Rinse and repeat daily until the new loop feels normal. A friend of mine, a top salesperson, used to freeze every time he picked up the phone. His loop was, cold calls always fail. One day, he started snapping a rubber band as soon as the thought hit, followed by one positive affirmation. People want to hear from me. Within weeks, he went from blocking calls to closing deals daily. That's the power of detect, interrupt, and install. Over time, the old loop fades because it never gets a single reinforcement, while the new, empowering loop becomes your default. You're not stuck in a permanent glitch, just an outdated program. Use these 3 steps every time you catch yourself spiraling. Detect, interrupt, install. Comment below, I break my loops, and share which loop you're escaping today. And if this video freed something in you, hit like, share it, and subscribe, because your mind deserves the upgrade.